Welcome to Practice Easy English. 30 plus super useful English vocabulary words for daily use. Attain. Achieve, reach. I hope to attain good grades in my exams. She worked hard to attain her fitness goals. Affordable. Inexpensive, budget-friendly, reasonably priced. This restaurant is known for its affordable prices. I'm looking for an affordable apartment in the city. Associate. Connect, link, relate. I always associate summer with happy memories. The two events are closely associated with each other. Fabulous. Fantastic, marvelous, splendid. The view from the top of the mountain was fabulous. She looked fabulous in her new dress. Fantastic. Amazing, extraordinary, incredible. The concert was a fantastic experience. You did a fantastic job on the project. Gratitude. Thankfulness, gratefulness, appreciation. Expressing gratitude can improve relationships. I want to express my gratitude for your help. Grateful. Thankful, appreciative, obliged. I am grateful for your support during tough times. I felt grateful for the opportunity to learn. Conclusion. Result, outcome, decision. The experiment led to a clear conclusion. Think deeply about this matter before reaching any conclusion. In conclusion. Lastly, finally, to sum up. In conclusion, I'd like to thank our guest speaker. So, in conclusion, the party was amazing. Apparently. Seemingly, evidently, it seems that. She was apparently upset about the news. He left early, apparently to avoid the traffic. distinguish, differentiate, separate, recognize. Can you distinguish between the twins? They look so similar. Can you distinguish the subtle differences in these colors? Categorize, classify, sort, organize. Let's categorize these books by genre. Let's categorize these documents based on their topics. Confuse, baffle, bewilder, puzzle. His explanation only served to confuse me more. Don't let complicated instructions confuse you. Cordially, warmly, friendly, affably. They greeted us cordially at the entrance. I would like to invite you cordially to our party this weekend. Detect, notice, discover, identify. Can you detect any errors in this document? The detective was able to detect the hidden clue. Detach, disconnect, separate, disengage. Detach the cable from the device carefully. It's important to detach emotions from decision-making sometimes. Differentiate, distinguish, identify, tell the difference, separate. Can you differentiate between the two products? It's crucial to differentiate facts from opinions. Effective, successful, helpful, beneficial. Is there any effective treatment available for this illness? Regular exercise is effective for maintaining good health. Enormous, very big or large, huge, massive. The elephant is enormous. We faced an enormous challenge in completing the project. Analyze, examine, study, scrutinize. We need to analyze the problem. The scientists are going to analyze the experiment results. Eliminate, remove, get rid of, eradicate. Let's eliminate unnecessary items from the list. Proper hygiene practices help eliminate germs. Friction. Conflict, disagreement, tension. You can notice friction between the father and son. There was friction between the two colleagues over the project. Fraction. Portion, small part, segment. He ate only a fraction of the cake. A small fraction of the budget is allocated to research. Frequent. Regular, common, habitual. I make frequent visits to the gym. She has frequent meetings with her team. Gigantic. Enormous, massive, very big. The dinosaur was truly gigantic. The company's success led to a gigantic expansion. Gaze. Stare, look, observe. They sat on the beach and gazed at the sunset. She gazed into the distance, lost in thought. Gorgeous. Beautiful, stunning, attractive. The bride looked absolutely gorgeous in her wedding dress. The bride looked absolutely gorgeous in her wedding dress. She wore a gorgeous dress to the party last night. Heartfelt. Sincere, genuine, earnest. His heartfelt apology touched everyone. I want to convey my heartfelt thanks for your support. Inferior. Lower quality, substandard, second class. The generic brand was of inferior quality. Never settle for inferior products. Superior. Higher quality, excellent, outstanding. The premium brand is known for its superior products. She always strives for superior performance. Attain. Achieve, reach. I hope to attain good grades in my exams. She worked hard to attain her fitness goals. affordable, inexpensive, budget-friendly, reasonably priced. This restaurant is known for its affordable prices. I'm looking for an affordable apartment in the city.